Hello everyone, welcome to Matplotlib. So in this session we'll be talking about the another plotting called your contour plots, contouring plots you can call as, like it will be look like the contouring, like your 3D type of visions or contouring plots. So the same way how you import the Matplotlib, you just import it first. For this we need a numpy as well to use some of numerical constant on that, or some of array constraint. So just start with importing. So import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. We need numpy as well, so import numpy as np. We just run this. This is to package all libraries we needed for this. Let's move to the list to create it x and y. So I just go with x-axis, so x of list, or x-axis also, it's fine. X equal, we just go with x equals to np. For the numpy we need to use this, so linspace, space. Now here we are just going to give the values on that, so 3.0 comma 3.0 comma 100. Out of 100 we need to see in that particular area. Now moving to y-axis, going to np dot linspace space, and then the same values we are giving for this minus 3.0, because we have to going with the x's, so 3.0, and then going with the 100. So all those x and y it's done. Now move to the other thing, the x's. We just created those variable for this, so we are now going with the var1 comma var2. So this will be for the like creating the other tables, like things will be going towards to that. Then np dot mash greet. We already see that how we have to use the greet methods, so use that greet and we pass x and y on that. We just draw greet for that mash greet to see that. Now let's move to the data to understand data dot x. Okay, we'll go with ax because already we taken as a x equals to plt dot subplots. We are moving to use our subplots on that, so subplots, and then we are moving to 1 comma 1. So this will be for the datas, like what we wanted to give this particular things, we can give one by one. Before that we need to access like var1 var2 is done, we can go with var3 for the z-axis, and there we can go with np dot square root sqrt, and then going with the values x of 2, and then it is like var1 of 2, var1 into 2, plus we are just giving var2 of your power of 2, so that will become inside the things to the var3. And then we are going with the data things, like we used to go with the plots, subplots. After the subplots we need to contour it, because that is important part of this plotting. We need to contour that, so we are just giving the name of that and then going with the contour ax, because we use the ax value dot contour. Contouring, for that we use the keyword that soul contour, so contour or contour of f. We are taking it, and then inside that you have to give the variables like x, y, whatever we are giving. var1, this is just for the 3x's, var2, var3, we are giving this 3x's, and then we just go with the color bar for to see that, add the color bar to the plots, to different color bar to see that. So I'm just going with to add that, so data dot color bar, and then what the cp we use to use for contouring, so we use for that contour plots is there in the name, the same name, that is cp, so we use that to give the color bar. Now the main thing it comes to the, we have to set the title, we have to set the labels also. So let's move to set all this levels and the things, like what the levels we wanted. So go with first ax dot set title. This is for the leveling, like if you don't want you can skip it. So that for the contour, contour contour example. So that I give the level, and then I'm just going with dot set x level, dot set x label, set x label. So mostly we use x, so that's your wish what level you give. I just give x dot y level, ax dot set y level, label. Here also I just give the y. So that you wish how you have to give the leveling. At last plt dot show. So this is how you have to use this particular your contouring or contour plots in a matplotlib. What we done, we just go with the lens space on that to create the first one, and then for the next one we just on more contour. Then we are moving to the things where we are using this var1 var2, and then we are just match the grid with the particular xy whatever we design it. Then we go with var3 where we square root of those var1 and var2 what we use it there, and then move to the data of plt dot subplots ax. Then we are just contouring. This is the main thing, the ax dot contouring of f, and then go with var1 var2 var3 the 3. Then going with the color bar, we need to set the color bar for that, and then the title x level and the y level and plt dot show. Let's run. Yeah, when you run you can get that contour example. So this is how you have to give the contour example on that. So when you use it, it will becomes on that particular area. Suppose you can change the values, then what effect happen? If you go with the changing on the values, the same thing happen how the contouring it's come to the this side. So this is how you can adjust it. It's not compulsory you have to give the same value. You can adjust it also. It's depend upon the things you have to adjust the thing. So how you need the contouring part. See, when I give this, it comes to that particular area of contouring part. So this is how we have to use contour plot in a matplotlib. Thank you.